Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my most favorite and super easy new recipe. This is to make homemade whipped cream. It is delicious. Now, first thing you want to do, your mixing bowl and your beater for your mixer. Put it in the freezer for about 10, 20 minutes, half hour, whatever. Just put it in there so it gets really, really cold. Then you need a cup of heavy cream, tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half, maybe two of sugar. I'm using white sugar, and some good old vanilla flavoring. So this is so easy. You just put your heavy cream in your bowl, pour that in there, and that's just 1 cup. I'm gonna put a little bit of the sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there. All of it in there. And a little bit of vanilla extract. You could use whatever extract flavoring you want. It's up to you. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in there. If you use the clear vanilla extract, you come out better because then it's clear. And this will turn it, not the pure white color of whipped cream, but it'll be fine. So then I'm gonna go ahead and raise the mixing bowl, because this is, that for my mixer. And you whip it for about 5, maybe 10 minutes until stiff peaks form. And I'll show you what I mean. And I know you don't want to sit here and listen to this thing grind on for 5 minutes. So I'm going to pause, and I might come back. I'm going to show you the results.